Alright, ladies, finally got this son of a gun out. This was a little bitch of a job. This is really hard to take off. I've seen people talking about it on YouTube, and you don't realize how crazy of a job it is till you have to take it out. So what I did is I heated it up, and I went to Home Depot, grabbed these instead of what I've seen other people use, the tire thingy. Is not good. This has a larger surface to make contact with this, so you're a lot less likely to break it. So this goes on the bottom, and this one I put on top so you can apply even pressure and remove it without breaking it. And if you're just removing one coil, you don't have to remove the whole thing. Just pop it out, and like you see right there, just drop it. You don't want to just mess with all three of them if you don't have to. That is a freaking pain in the ass. As a matter of fact, you might even be able to move it around all the way to the other side. No, that's gonna break it. So for coil coil 6, 5, 4, 3, you may not need to remove that sucker right there. Now, I asked the dealers if the coils have been changed and couldn't get a definitive answer. However, the one to the right is the new one. You guys could see on the inside, it looks like there is more connections there. It looks different than the original one. So hopefully these are built better than these on the left here. So you guys can see that's a change. It looks beefier. We'll see. I'm gonna have to put it back and see how it goes.